Hey, this is a video about a new microphone purchase. I used to use my laptop microphone for all of the videos, and now I want to start focusing on increasing the video quality, especially increasing the sound quality and making better videos for the community. So I thought a mic purchase would be probably the best bet to stop getting that kind of laptop static sound. I'm also a bit of an audiophile, so the laptop static was frustrating to me. The microphone that I purchased was recommended from another YouTube channel, and it's called the Blue Snowball ICE. So it was purchased on Amazon. It was $59 Canadian plus tax. The day before on my phone when I was searching it up, it was actually $49, so it raised $10 overnight, but you'll get this microphone within the $50 range. It's a brand new purchase. I just used it for my first video. I liked the way it sounded, and I want to show you guys the difference between the laptop microphone and the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. So we're gonna hop into Audacity right here. And in Audacity, I'm going to play two samples. The first sample is from my laptop microphone, so you can see how that sounds. I'll say a generic tongue twister, and then I will repeat that tongue twister with the Blue Snowball ICE to show you guys the difference. So let's cut the music and listen to it. Bears and bugs. Black bug bit a big black bear. Bears and bugs. Black bug bit a big black bear. As you can hear, the laptop microphone has a bit of the static sound. The entire time there's a little bit of like a fuzz that's going on. The Blue microphone, everything's kind of nice and short. You can even see by the sound waves the difference between the two microphones. I think the Snowball ICE kind of gives a podcast sound where it cuts all of the outside noise and only focuses on the voice. If we're talking about some of the hardware, it comes with kind of a cheap little stand. It's metal legs, but it's not the most solid. You screw it into the bottom of the microphone. The top part is the ball. You screw it in, and it took me a bit to figure this out, but you can actually shift and rotate the top part of the ball to get the angle that you want. You want to face the front to your mouth to where the voice is being projected. So if you're sitting on a desk, you'll want to kind of tip it up depending on your height. I also tested how it captures sound quality from all around it. I had a conversation with my friend, and it captured sound nicely from behind. So if you're giving an interview or you're having a discussion, you can place the microphone on the desk between the two people. It's a USB microphone, so it connects via a cord into the USB slot in your computer, and you can use it with your favorite audio program. I use it with Audacity. It also works for Kden Live or any other sound recording software. It's rated 4.2 out of 5 on Amazon. In the technical details, it does say that there is one lithium-ion battery required. The battery, if there is one, it must be somewhere inside the main ball part. The nice thing about lithium ion batteries is they last a long time, and you can even ship products with these batteries. So I haven't looked deep inside to see if there is a battery in there, but it worked straight out of the box. And lithium ion means it's chargeable, so maybe it is being charged by the USB cable. It has a nice stylish retro design. It looks like those old style microphones from like the 60s. It comes in white and black. I got the white color. It works for most of your favorite chat channels. I do know it works exclusively for Skype and Discord, so you can use it for gaming or to call your family and friends. It's the smallest microphone out of the line. There's the Snowball ICE, the regular Snowball, and then you got the Yeti Nano, the Yeti, and the Yeti Pro. All of the reviews pretty much say the same thing. They say it's a good quality for the price tag, and I have to agree. It's only $50. The sound quality is pretty good. It's definitely a good starting mic if you're a new YouTuber, you're new into video creation. You probably don't want to go crazy and spend a lot of money on your first microphone. I wanted to just get a step up from the laptop mic, and this microphone probably works best in that regards. Maybe later on in my career, if I start to get better at video creation, I start noticing the difference in the sound quality and how mine are lacking compared to other videos, I'll look into purchasing a higher quality mic. But in the meantime, this probably works just well. Other reviews say the stand is garbage. I somewhat agree with that. It is a little flimsy, but if you're not moving it around everywhere, it's pretty good. It's small and easy to carry around. I took it from location to location using my camera bag. It was small enough, I folded it up. You can fold the legs up, put it in the camera bag, and I was able to carry it to a different location. I've read that many people mention that the volume it picks up is very quiet. I haven't noticed that yet. I guess because I talk very close to the microphone, I haven't noticed that. You can also use filters to increase the sound volume, so I don't know how big of a deal that is, but for some people it might be an issue. But again, if we're looking at price versus sound quality, you're probably not going to find anything else as good as the Blue Snowball ICE. This is a video of someone attaching the Snowball ICE to a boom arm that clamps to the desk. So there are a couple options that you could do with it. I've also read some examples of gamers using the mic instead of a headset. They just put the Snowball ICE on their desk and they play their games on the laptop and they don't even use a headset. Some people get skeptical about the sound quality that can come from a USB mic, but I'm using it here, no filter, so if you like the sound, you should definitely check it out. I'll paste a link in the description below if you want to explore further, do some more research. The link will be for Amazon.com, but it can also be for Amazon.ca. I bought it from the Canadian version. Again, the mic is around $50, but if you use something like the Honey Chrome extension, you might be able to find some discount codes and buy it at a cheaper price. So first impressions are pretty positive. It's very cheap. It's my first mic. It's only been a couple days, but I haven't noticed any problems. If I do run into some problems, I'll be sure to update this video to let you guys know. But for now, I recommend it. Let's say 2 thumbs up.